Dozens of Russian activists passed through metal scanners to join a Moscow protest against a law that softens penalties for those who commit domestic violence. The February 12th gathering at Sokolniki Park was a rare rally permitted by local authorities who twice rejected an application for the demonstration. Students and workers who support victims of domestic violence said the new law will make it harder to stop abusers and more difficult to protect their victims. Abusers who previously faced up to 2 years in prison can now be punished by a fine, community service, or up to 15 days in police custody. The law was proposed by conservative lawmakers who argued the previous law could be used to punish parents for using corporal punishment.